Hi everyone, it's Ciara and welcome back to Arts for All's virtual art making series. Today we're diving back into our social emotional learning series where we make some art together and also explore our emotions. To get started, I'm going to share a list of suggested materials for our art making activity today. I suggest pausing the video here, taking a moment to gather everything that you need, and then coming back to the video. If there are things listed that you don't have available to you, feel free to get creative and use what you have. We'll still have a great time. In just a few moments, once you're settled, feel free to unpause the video and join me in a brief body scan before we start making some art. Today we're going to do a slightly different type of body scan. We'll start the same. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes if you'd like, or focus on the waves. And take a deep inhale and a long, slow exhale. I want you to imagine a warm breeze coursing through your body. It's going to start on your feet, maybe on the bottoms of your feet, up through your legs, into your lungs and your chest, through your fingertips and your arms, up through your neck, and eventually on to the top of your head. Sit for a moment and feel the warm energy in your body. Take a deep breath in and an exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes, find your art making space, and let's get started. We're going to be thinking about symbols today. I want you to choose at least 4 symbols. They can be familiar symbols like a heart, a crescent, a peace sign is a great example of a symbol, or they can be entirely imaginary. I'm drawing a heart, a moon, a symbol that looks a little like a tooth to me, and a noodle. Take some time to draw at least 4. Try not to spend too much time thinking and draw whatever comes to your mind first. Once you finish, this is a great part of the video to pause before the next step. Once you're ready, I want you to come back and find your colorful paper. I didn't have any colorful paper, so I watercolored some paper. Think about a color or a series of colors that align with how you're feeling right now. Blue is really working for me, so I'm doing a variety of blues and greens, and then you're going to choose a different color for each of your symbols. Once you're ready, draw your symbols on the paper and cut them all out. This is another great spot in the video to pause. Give yourself some time to draw and to cut. Once you've finished cutting out all the symbols, you are going to glue, tape, or just arrange them onto a blank piece of paper, almost like a mosaic. You can use them to make a specific image, but the idea is really to treat this like a symbol quilt. Piece them around in a way that feels interesting or exciting to you. When you finish this step, there's an optional third step to make a key. If that's enough for you, you can leave the video here. Otherwise, stick around. We've got one last step coming soon. If you're still here, this is the optional last step. Take a look at each of your symbols. Think about the color and the shape. And what do they mean? I'm going to show what my key to my symbols is here on the side. Take some time to think about what yours is. And when you're finished, share it with a friend. See you next time.